Hello guys, welcome once again to this channel, and today I'll be sharing with you our backyard poultry farming. As you can see behind me, this is our backyard poultry farming. This is our backyard poultry farming. We have a cage for them, and inside this cage we have our laying beds, our layers, and also this cage also this cage house about 96 laying beds. This cage house about 96 laying beds. Can you see? So here is their food, and this is their water here. They drink from this side. If you can see it, this is their water. So in here we have about 96 laying beds here. So inside this our backyard pen, we have about a number of 7 cages. Let's count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 at the extreme end. So inside this our backyard poultry pen, we're having about 7 sets of cage, and in each cages we'll be housing about 96 birds. So inside our backyard poultry pen we'll be having about going to 700 chicken, 700 laying beds inside our backyard poultry pen. You can see. So if you want to start one, it's probably easy to start maybe with a set of cage that will house about 96 beds. You can start with that at your own backyard. So can you see? Can you see? So inside a compartment, inside a cell, we are putting about four beds inside a cell. So in a basket, that's about 16 beds in a basket. So at the side here, we are having about 48 laying beds, and same thing at the other side. Hope you can see it. And also this is our tank in which it supply the water to the nipples. Hope you can see it. So that's it. And you can also see their poo. Their poo is dropping on the floor, so no one is shitting on the other side. You can see it. So we haven't put beds inside here, so in a couple of days now we'll be filling this place with our new beds. We'll be filling this angle with our new beds. Hope you can see them. Hope you can see them. So if you are planning to start one, you can go ahead and start by using cage. It helps you protect the chicken from all type of diseases and prevent your egg also from breaking, from cracking. So that's it on this channel again. Please do well to subscribe on this channel and turn on the notification bell to know when I drop a video like this. Thank you for watching. God bless.